Weekends Garage here. Today we're going to be talking about the 66 GMC truck. It's a gorgeous truck, and of course every car has a story. This one was a milk truck back in the late 60s. In current owner now, it was her grandpa's brand new, and she wanted it restored and built in his memory, in his honor. Turned out awesome. Let's take a look at it. Here we have the Be Cool radiator assembly, all aluminum. Really cool to the truck, nice. Here we have the Wilwood disc brakes, master cylinder. They stop these trucks excellent. So here we have a LS3 engine, again from GM Performance. They make such a good engine for these old hot rods. It's a 6.2 liter, 430 horsepower, mated to a 4L65E 4-speed automatic transmission. Here we have the wood bed. I love old wood beds in these trucks. This one, I believe we went with the oak. Turned out great. Like, look at it. That thing's awesome. So these stereos I like to put in these old trucks that kind of look like they're old and factory, but it's all modern. I believe it's classic auto sound. They look the part of these old trucks, but they operate new. They have Bluetooth and all kinds of features, and they look great and work great. So this is the original owner's address. I was told by the current owner not to take it off because it meant so much to her. And it's a super cool sentimental piece. Well, thanks for checking out our video. We're very grateful to have such awesome customers to build these great cars. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll check you on the next one.